If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The toolbar at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box contains buttons for tools and buttons that change the panel to its left, where you can then access more tools and settings to edit the current Camera Raw image. You can click the Edit button in the toolbar, which is selected by default, to view its panel tabs to the left in the Edit panel. This is where you make most image adjustments to Camera Raw images in the Camera Raw dialog box. We'll discuss the settings within each tab in this panel in detail in later lessons of this chapter. When the Edit button in the toolbar is selected, then the default tool that appears when you hold your pointer over the preview image is the Zoom tool. To set the Zoom tool as the default tool to use in the Camera Raw dialog box if it is not selected, click the Zoom tool button in the toolbar at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box. To zoom when the Zoom tool is selected, hold your pointer over the preview image and click to zoom in to the area at which you click. To zoom out to fit the image in the preview area again, click again. To set the magnification level to use when you click the preview image to zoom in with the Zoom tool, select a choice from the Select Zoom Level dropdown. Alternatively, to set the magnification level by clicking and dragging when the Zoom tool is selected, click and hold down with the Zoom tool in the preview image where you want to focus the magnification. To decrease the magnification level, then drag to the left and release when it is the desired magnification. Alternatively, to increase the magnification level, then drag to the right and release when it is the desired magnification. Alternatively, to zoom into a selection area that you choose, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. Then click and drag to create a selection in the preview image to magnify. Then release the mouse button to magnify and display the selected area within the Camera Raw dialog box. Then release the Control key. To temporarily switch to the Hand tool when the Zoom tool is selected, hold down the Spacebar key on your keyboard. To temporarily switch to the White Balance tool instead, hold down the Shift key. To use the Hand tool by default in the Camera Raw dialog box in Photoshop, click the Hand tool button at the bottom of the toolbar at the right side of the Camera Raw dialog box. The Hand tool lets you scroll and pan the preview image in the window. Click and drag the preview image when using the Hand tool in the Camera Raw dialog box to move it in the preview window. To temporarily switch to the Zoom tool when the Hand tool is selected, hold down the Control key or Alt key on your keyboard. To temporarily switch to the White Balance tool instead, hold down the Shift key. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.